Apple TV doesn't have a native app for VPNs like iOS or Mac OS, which means you'll need to use a workaround to get NordVPN working on your Apple TV. However, once set up, using NordVPN can help you access geo-restricted content, like Netflix, BBC iPlayer, or Hulu, and provide an extra layer of security for your streaming. Here are the best pro tips for using NordVPN on Apple TV. 1. Set up NordVPN on your router. Recommended for Apple TV, the easiest and most efficient way to use NordVPN on Apple TV is to set it up on your router. This way, all devices connected to your home network including your Apple TV will automatically be routed through the VPN connection, ensuring secure and unrestricted streaming. Steps to set up NordVPN on your router. 1. Check router compatibility. Make sure your router supports OpenVPN, NordLynx, or IPsec. Many modern routers support these protocols, but older models may not. If you have a compatible router, proceed with the setup. If not, you might need to install custom firmware like DDWRT or Tomato. 2. Download OpenVPN configuration files. Log into your NordVPN account on their website. Go to the download section and download the OpenVPN configuration files for your router. 3. Log into your routers. Admin panel, access your router's web interface by typing 192.168.1.1, or the default IP address for your router, in your browser. Enter your admin credentials. 4. Configure VPN settings on your router. Go to the VPN settings section, the exact location depends on your router model. Upload the OpenVPN configuration files you downloaded from NordVPN. Add your NordVPN username and password when prompted. Save and apply the settings. 5. Connect Apple TV to the router. Once your router is set up with NordVPN, simply connect your Apple TV to your router's Wi-Fi network. Your Apple TV will now be using the NordVPN connection, bypassing geo-restrictions. Pro tip, if your router is incompatible with NordVPN, consider using a VPN-compatible router or a secondary travel router for VPN setup. Popular models include the Asus RTAC86U and Netgear Nighthawk series. 2. Use a smart DNS feature, NordVPN Smart Play, another easy method to get NordVPN. Working on Apple TV without a router is by using Smart DNS. Nord's Smart Play feature allows you to bypass geo-blocks on devices that don't support VPNs, such as Apple TV. Smart Play doesn't encrypt your traffic, but it allows you to access content from different regions. Steps to set up Smart DNS, NordVPN Smart Play, on Apple TV. 1. Enable Smart Play in NordVPN, log into your NordVPN account and enable Smart Play under the settings section of the website. 2. Get DNS server addresses, after enabling Smart Play, you will receive NordVPN DNS server addresses, example 103.86.96.100 and 103.86.99.100. Make a note of these. 3. Configure DNS on Apple TV, on your Apple TV, go to Settings Network Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi network and choose Configure DNS. Set the DNS to manual and enter the NordVPN Smart DNS addresses. Click Done and restart your Apple TV. 4. Access geo-restricted content. Once Smart DNS is set up, you can access content from different countries, like US Netflix, BBC iPlayer, or Hulu on your Apple TV. Pro tip, Smart Play works best for streaming and unblocking geo-restricted content. If you want to maintain privacy and encryption, consider setting up the VPN directly on your router instead of using Smart DNS. 3. Use a VPN-enabled device as a hotspot, tethering, If you don't want to set up a VPN on your router or use smart DNS, another option is to share a VPN connection from a mobile device, like your phone or laptop, to your Apple TV via tethering. Steps to share a VPN connection from your phone. 1. Install NordVPN on your smartphone, * download and install the NordVPN app on your Android or iOS phone. * connect to a NordVPN server in your desired country. 2. Enable tethering/hotspot, * on your phone, enable tethering or mobile hotspot, found in settings. * choose the Wi-Fi hotspot option and set it up with the name, SSID, and password. 3. Connect Apple TV to the VPN enabled hotspot, * on your Apple TV, go to settings network Wi-Fi and select your phone's hotspot. * your Apple TV will now use your phone's VPN connection for streaming. Pro tip, this method is great for temporary setups or if you don't want to permanently configure a router. However, it relies on your phone's data connection, so be mindful of your data usage if you're not on an unlimited plan. 4. Set up NordVPN on Apple TV with a Mac. Internet sharing. If you have a Mac and prefer to use it as an intermediary device for Apple TV, you can share the VPN connection from your Mac to your Apple TV via internet sharing. Steps to share NordVPN connection from Mac. 1. Install NordVPN on Mac, * download and install NordVPN on your Mac. * connect to a NordVPN server. 2. Enable internet sharing on Mac, * open system preferences sharing. * select internet sharing from the left-hand panel. * from the drop-down menu, choose to share your Ethernet, or VPN connection, via Wi-Fi. * check the box next to internet sharing to enable it. * make sure your Apple TV is connected to the Wi-Fi network you just created. 3. Connect Apple TV to Mac's shared network, * on your Apple TV, go to settings network Wi-Fi and select the Wi-Fi network created by your Mac. * your Apple TV will now be routed through the VPN connection on your Mac. Pro tip, this method allows you to share the VPN connection from any device with internet sharing capabilities, but it might not be as stable as a router setup. Use this method for temporary setups or if you're moving your Apple TV around. 5. Use a virtual router with Windows PC. If you have a Windows PC, you can create a virtual router to share your NordVPN connection with your Apple TV. Steps to set up a virtual router on Windows. 1. Install NordVPN on Windows, * download and install the NordVPN app on your Windows PC. * connect to a NordVPN server. 2. Enable mobile hotspot on Windows, * open settings network and internet mobile hotspot. * enable mobile hotspot and select your connection method, Wi-Fi. * choose a network name, SSID, and password. 3. Connect Apple TV to the virtual router, * on your Apple TV, go to settings network Wi-Fi and select your PC's hotspot network. * your Apple TV will now be using NordVPN via your Windows PC. Pro tip, a virtual router can provide a quick and easy VPN connection to Apple TV when you're not at home or don't want to use a dedicated router. Final thoughts. Use NordVPN on Apple TV. Router configuration is the best and most reliable method, but you also have options like smart DNS and tethering via your phone or computer. These methods ensure you can access geo-blocked content and enjoy secure, encrypted streaming on your Apple TV.